In this lesson, I will show you what a prefix is and how it works. A prefix is a group of letters that can be added to the beginning of a word in order to change its meaning. For example, the word unhappy contains the prefix un. Un means not. So when you combine the prefix un with a word, it changes the meaning of the word. For example, unhappy means not happy. The original word happy is called the root word or base word. Some other examples of words to which you can add the prefix un are able, lucky, and certain. Another commonly used prefix is re. The prefix re means again. When added to the root word cook, you get re-cook, which now has the meaning to cook again. More examples of root words to which you can add the prefix re are view, heat, and play. The prefix miss is also used on many words. Miss means incorrect or wrong. When added to the word read, you get the word misread, which means to read something incorrectly. Some additional words to which you can add the prefix miss are place, take, and here. Remember that prefixes are not words by themselves. Instead, prefixes are groups of letters that can be added to the beginning of words to change their meaning.